Hi guys, today we came to Tajrish Bazaar in Tehran to work. Tajrish Bazaar is one of the oldest markets in Tehran, which is about 70 years old. This colorful and spectacular market is located in Tajrish Square in the north of Tehran, and it is one of the best entertainment options in Tehran. If you have traveled to Tehran, it is impossible not to visit this famous bazaar. If you have not been to this historical place in Tehran, put it in your itinerary. Tajrish market is really noisy Fridays, and it's a pleasure to see this traditional market. Okay, I invite you to watch the rest of the video.
Ja. 100 kaffe هم پر برفت. چرا نگو میره زیروش.